You can optimize your Amazon store through Google My Business?
Yes, you can.
Really?
Yes. Simply by having your store, have your Google business profile created, and then have the anchor URL for your Google business profile be your Amazon store.
Oh,
Right?
that's
It's
cool.
really that simple.
I had no idea. I'm gonna have to check into that.
Sure.
And obviously, by anchoring that URL, you're going to be anchoring or getting better relevance for the keywords that you put up for your product.
That's correct.
Okay, does this affect Google Shopping as well, or
Yes, it
Google
does.
Merchant?
Yes,
It
it does.
does. Wow. So it really is full circle.
It is. It is. So just to go here. So what Google has determined is that people like clickless searches, right? That's why Google Shopping, right? Google Products, Google Sells. At any rate, so these clickless searches, and that is when you or I search for something, and the content or the product that we want is included in the search result. The search return includes our product, and all I have to do is click to buy or click to subscribe or whatever the result is, whatever the call to action is, right? So you keep these all on your Google business profile. The average managed Google business profile has 7 portals for conversion. Now, let's compare that to a pay-per-click ad. Has 1 portal for conversion, and it costs you money. If your Google business profile is relevant at the same time your Google pay-per-click ads are relevant, people are going to click on your Google profile and not the ad. So it actually, in a sense, can save you money in that respect. But there's only one place a Google business profile is returned in a search result, and that is the number 1 spot. It's never number 2. It's never on the second page. It's only number 1. So the idea is to create that relevancy and have a micro website directly on search, which is a Google business profile, makes your ratings go way up. We do have clients that get in excess of 350,000 views a month
Wow.
for Google profiles.
Wow. And we have to remember, you hear that we talk about Amazon being the largest product search engine, and a lot of Amazon sellers, including myself, you don't really think, oh, I have to be on Google. I might think of it a little bit differently too, but like for all my products, I really, especially when you said the Amazon store, had no idea about that. But